caterpillar. That's caterpillar. And it's dried and they use for soup. Some money. Some cash now. The market. We're going with this tour in a town called Jurapa. This is where you get the buses, you know. So up we go. We are going to experience the wild market, and then the wild market, and then from there continue to our next destination where we will be sleeping. So yeah, that's just it. Look at that. Livestock animals you can think of. How much is one? One or that is problem. Yeah, it's big. Buy it occasionally for. Hi. Baby. No, I mean, have you only buy the for the babies, they buy the milk. The milk. Female sheep for naming ceremony. Oh, naming ceremony. Milk. You don't use male. Got to know that there's a difference between the Tamale greetings and that of the Upper West region greetings. So in Tamale, you say Antere.
In Wale, you say Antere.
And in Wale, you say Antere. Oh my goodness, it sounds the same, but the pronunciation is different. So with Wale, it's sort of like you're slurring it.
Yes.
But in Tamale, it's like normal. And then you respond Monate, but in Tamale you respond Ina. You see, I'm learning. I've been in the north, so I need to know. Yes. Okay, so yeah, that's a tip of it today with languages. Okay, I'm waiting for my colleagues. They are still doing their thing. Hey, Maria. That is what they used to be making it. That's the drink. Oh, that's nice. Let me see. This is the drink. Guys, over here I've seen Zam. I've seen special, not special ice. Okay, know the difference. Special, not special ice. Ice kinky and a few things around here. At the moment, I'm experiencing a bit of stomach wahala, so I can't try anything. They are going to be my testers. And so far, Drew and Stella are having a good time.
You want to taste it? No. Okay.
Yeah. How does it taste?
It tastes like African blackberry juice, and it's very close to baobab juice. I don't know if you've had baobab juice.
Yeah,
that's it. Baobab.
But it's hot. Oh, we have
and continue stirring it with your hand.
Okay.
Keep adding stirring it with your hand. It will thicken and the oil and separate the oil from then now cut them into shapes and mold them. As you are molding, still the oil will be
dropping out of it.
Then after that you can use that same oil to fry it.
Oh wow, that's interesting. That's so interesting. We are talking.
Then after that, because
what's it called again? Kuli kuli.
Yes.
Oh, so it's the same name for. Oh, okay, interesting. Entering into the main market. Okay, so that's why they separated the fowls and guinea. So if you go here, you won't get it. No. This is caterpillar and it's dried and they use for soup. Yes. Wow. Interesting. These are different spices. So these are baobab seedlings that you can eat raw. I don't know what that is, but I think it's dried okra. I don't know what it is. If you know what it is, let me know in the comment section. All these are I want to add movie pa. Hey, so she says she wants to come into Why are they selling cassava leaves in the market?
Yes, it's soup.
Oh. And we throw it away.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Hey, we always throw away cassava leaves. As part of the market experience, we are taking this to where we are going.
Oh yeah.
And look at everyone.
Yeah.
We left our backpacks at Melcom, so we are going to pick it up and then head to our next location.
Alright.
How was your market experience?
My market experience was fun. Definitely different from Makola.
Yeah.
I feel like it's much more spacious.
Yeah. And
Busy, but it's a different type of busy over here.
Yeah. I learned every day is a market day, but specific
I'm a
days
Tuju girl.
for market. So yeah, that's just it.